Hello everyone, welcome to Catch 25 Science Academy YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about solutions. So solutions are of two types, ideal solution and non-ideal solution. According to Raoult's law, total pressure is equal to pure vapor pressure of A into mole fraction of A plus pure vapor pressure of B into mole fraction of B. If only one mole fraction is present, then we use the second formula. When we compare the second formula with the equation y is equal to mx plus c, we get the following graph. In this graph we can see on both the y-axis we can see vapor pressure, and on the x-axis we can see mole fraction. When we move from left to right, the vapor pressure of B decreases to 0 because mole fraction of B becomes 0, and similarly when we move from right to left, the vapor pressure of A decreases to 0 because mole fraction of A becomes 0. Therefore at extremely left on x-axis, solution contains vapor pressure of component B, and similarly on extremely right on the x-axis, the solution contains vapor pressure of component A. Non-ideal solutions. From the first two equations we can say that non-ideal solution do not obey Raoult's law. Non-ideal solutions show positive deviation and negative deviation. As the name suggests, positive deviation means non-ideal solution showing higher vapor pressure than the ideal solution. Therefore the intermolecular attraction between the molecule is weak. Similarly, negative deviation means the non-ideal solution having vapor pressure less than ideal solution. Therefore, intermolecular attraction is higher. Now we talk about some characteristics of ideal solutions. Ideal solutions obey Raoult's law. Force of attraction between AA molecule is equal to BB molecule is equal to AB molecule. There is no heat exchange between, so the value of delta H is 0, and there is no change in volume, therefore the value of delta V is also equal to 0. Characteristics of non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solution do not obey Raoult's law. Force of attraction between AA is not equal to BB is not equal to AB molecule. Heat exchange is positive and change in volume is positive for positive deviation. Heat exchange is negative and change in volume is negative for negative deviation. Now I mark some distinguishing point between ideal and non-ideal solutions. I hope you guys liked the video, and if yes, then do subscribe to Catch 25 YouTube channel and stay tuned for more such short videos. Thank you.